Hi, I'm Michelle Potter. I am the dance area head here at the Professional Conservatory of Musical Theater at New York Film Academy. And I'm here with Ilda Mason, who is an alum of our program here. We are so very proud of Ilda. She has graduated and gone on to do great things like dance on Broadway, do national tours, international tours, and she was featured as a character Moose in Steven Spielberg's West Side Story. She also danced on the Tony Award, so we're very lucky to have her here today. Thank you, Ilda. Thank you, Ilda. There are two ways that you can submit your dance video. First, Ilda and I are going to teach a combo that you can film yourself doing. Or if you're an advanced dancer and you would like to do your own solo within a 30 to 60 second frame, you're allowed to do that. First, we're going to teach you a mover's beginner call. We're going to start with a chassé to the right, just feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Now my left foot's free. I'm going to do a ball change, which is a rock back, front, reverse it to the left. Left foot goes 7, 8, chassé, back, front. Arms are going to be out and cross and out, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yes. 3 steps to the right and then touch with the left. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to do a sassy step to the left. Left foot's free here because we just touched. Left hand's going to go out with the jazz hand. Right hand on your belly. Bend those knees. Use those hips a little. Give me some little sass. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step, touch. We just touched again, so my right foot's free. I'm going to do a jazz square. Step forward with the right foot. Front, cross left, back. So it's 4 steps to again, right foot's free. 5, 6, 7, step, cross, back. Now we're going to pivot step. My right foot again. We step forward with our right foot. We turn to the left. We step forward with our right foot. We turn to the left. Now you can use those same big Broadway hands that we did on the jazz square. Let's do jazz square, pivot step. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot to the back and pivot to the front. From the top, chassé ball change. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. We're going to turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, sass. Da, and down we box step. 1, 2, 3, pivot step. Now my right foot's free. All right, we're going to do a pirouette. If you don't know what a pirouette is, don't freak out. We're just going to tendu to the side, rondage on that leg back, and now you're in plie. Parallel to fourth position. You can bring that foot up into passe and hold your balance, or you can do a single pirouette, Ilda will show you, or a double pirouette if you're at that point. All right, so here we go. Tendu right, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and balance, down. Last pose, big jazz hand plie, hip forward. And that's not count 8. That's the whole thing. All right, from the top. Chassé. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn to the right. 1, 2, sassy step. Up, jazz. Good, now bend it. Pirouette. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. It's balance, down, and up. All right, we did it. Let's do it with music. And that's 5, 6, 7, go. Turn. Sass. Jazz square. Pivot. Pirouette. Remember to have fun while you're doing this dance. It's not only about the steps. We want to see your personality. We want to see you. So bring yourself to this. If you got the turn wrong or you went the wrong direction, it's not the end of the world. We want to see who you are. We'd like to thank you again, Ilda, for helping us out today, and we look forward to seeing your submissions.